We mostly spend our time anticipating the future or reflecting on our past and thereby fail to nurture the present as it always gets pushed to the last. We are filled with likes, dislikes, and comparisons between good or bad, which constantly affects our mind, our heart, and makes us go mad. As we neither get consumed or want to flee, but as attachment to existence or escapism would never let us free. That's when we realize that we are concentrating on solutions, not focusing on the method, looking for the destination and not on the path that we need to tread. This understanding takes us on a mission where we ultimately find that the best way is to live our life with a Zen state of mind. As in Zen mode, you absorb things with poise, not affected by external or internal noise. And you see your life at present always as a present, as you practice with no eye on results by keeping your focus on methods and not affected by anything else. Resist comparisons between likes and dislikes as it clouds your mind when the conflicting thought strikes. Eliminate environment influences and expectations on what makes you happy or sad, or what is considered good or what is bad. See your mind traverse from scattered to simple to an unified state as it eventually becomes a clean and a blank slate. Embracing equanimity with psychological stability and composure, not disturbed by any extreme emotional exposure. Nurturing the approach of letting things go, being natural and spontaneous, neither vexed by failure nor celebrating success in excess. Truly understand suchness by not analyzing the present moment, asking why, what, or how. Instead, living it real and full, understanding this is the way it is right now. So let us always try to be in Zen mode by imprinting it onto our life code. There is no high or any low, you just have to let things flow. Why go haste? It makes you slow. Live your life for it to glow. Listen to your mind, hand your heart. That in itself is a good start. Comparisons then fall apart. You then find true, unified thought. Not by force or rigorous drill, not by any new developed skill. Your words and thinking all stand still to get expressed on your natural will, with no upload or download of past, future or present code. Riding smooth in a beautiful road, you see life moving in a true Zen mode.